Hey, it's Corrina, and today I want to tell you about this yoga mat storage rack by MyThingLogic. So this was really fun and pretty easy to put together, and I love it because it's really sturdy, it's really good quality, it's also on wheels, so it's super easy to move around or put into a closet if you're wanting to maybe put your fitness and yoga gear aside when you have company over. So right now we have 11 yoga mats on this rack, as well as a bunch of blocks, a yoga cushion, lots of different little props, resistance bands, yoga sliders. There's lots of space and great little racks on this cart. So basically whatever kind of gear you might have, you will find someplace on the storage rack that you can easily put it. So in addition to just being a really great way to store and easily transport your yoga and fitness gear, I also love just how chic and nice this looks. We have a lot of different yoga props around here on set since we do so much filming. So something like this is a really nice way to take a big messy pile of stuff and turn it into a really nice, well-kept little rack. And like I said, you can roll it around anywhere. The wheels also have locks, so if you decide that you want the rack to be stationary for a while, you can do that as well. So we do have a little footage for you of me putting this together. I'm serious, if I was able to figure this out, anyone can figure out how to put this together. So we're going to be doing a giveaway. If you are interested in winning one of these beautiful rolling yoga mat storage racks, head over to our Instagram and you can find out how to enter to win one of these for yourself. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this little video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.
Welcome to YogaPlus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose library. YogaPlus by PsycheTruth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, YogaPlus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.